Hey everyone, welcome back to Shiny Bird Week. I know that I missed yesterday, but I was busy playing Oras. Anyways, I got 4 shinies today and only 2 of them were birds, but I did want to find 2 bird shinies today to make up for missing out on yesterday. Anyway, here's the first one where for some reason the sparkle sound didn't play. I named this Shinx just the letter S, and he's a bashful nature. Here's the next shiny that wasn't even from an outbreak. I completely forgot about the Electabuzz and didn't nickname it or check its nature, but I named him Glop and he's a rash nature. Anyway, here's a shiny that's actually part of my Dream Team quest, but I'm not transferring it over. Yeah, we're finally getting some birds now. Murkrow was my first ever shiny that I found. It wasn't the first one I caught, but you know. Weirdly enough, this is my second shiny of this Pokemon, but this was the outbreak right after Murkrow, so yeah, here's my second shiny bird. I named this guy Grumpus, and he's a bold nature, and now we have 3 shiny birds in Legends Arceus for this week. And despite the fact that it's only halfway through the day now, that's the end of this bird day for me.